You find it on a Monday morning, a small brass key sitting on your kitchen counter. You live alone. You didn't put it there. It has no label, no tag, no note attached. You almost throw it away, but something stops you. That afternoon, out of curiosity, you try it on your neighbor's mailbox. It opens. You try the maintenance room in your building. It opens. You try the locked storage unit in the basement that's been sealed for 3 years. It opens. You stand in the doorway of that basement room for a long time. You don't go in. Not yet. You tell yourself it's just a coincidence. You go upstairs. You make coffee. You try to forget about it. You can't. Level 2, testing the limits. 3 days later, you're at work. There's a room on the 4th floor, IT department, restricted access only. You've never been inside. You walk up to the door. Your hand is shaking slightly. You slide the key in. It turns. The room is dark, servers humming, cooling fans blowing cold air. You don't touch anything. You just stand there. You realize something. This key doesn't just open locks. It opens any lock. That night, you test it on a gym locker downtown, a church side entrance, the back door of a restaurant that closed at midnight. Every single one. You start carrying the key on you at all times. You start noticing locked doors everywhere you go. You never noticed them before. Now they're all you see. Level 3, the first real mistake. You have a friend, Marcus. You tell him about the key. You shouldn't have. His eyes change the moment you show him proof. He isn't fascinated. He's calculating. You know what you can do with that, he says. You tell him you're not interested in that. He laughs. Not a friendly laugh. 2 weeks later, Marcus calls you at 2 a.m. He needs access to a storage facility in the warehouse district. His ex-partner allegedly owes him money. He just wants to look for documentation. You say no. He says he'll tell people about the key. You go. The facility is cold. Smells like motor oil and rust. Marcus knows exactly